You feel less than your best in all areas of life. The normal aging process, poor nutrition and unhealthy lifestyles can slow down your body's ability to heal itself. With Lifewave X39, you can actually feel yourself becoming healthier and miraculously younger. Lifewave's research shows that applying the patch for 30 days will help you wake up feeling more energized and more refreshed each morning. Lifewave has released several scientific studies showing how Lifewave X39 works by activating stem cells to heal damaged cells and tissues throughout the body, which makes your skin appear younger and improves your circulation, so you're more energetic and healthy. In fact, after just a few weeks using Lifewave's regenerative patches, you will start seeing results. Lifewave gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee. To activate new cell growth on your body, use Lifewave phototherapy patches. Apply Lifewave X39 patches at night to heal over 70 different conditions quickly and naturally. They sell now with Lifewave X39 for healthy cell growth. Take advantage of these benefits by ordering Lifewave X39 today. The first ever product ever to activate stem cells. Sign up here for your free ebook risk-free product trial by clicking on the link in the description.